Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get baggage receipt from United Airlines, how you can find them. So the very first thing is that just go and check your Gmail. Right, this is very important because when you check a bag, United usually send a confirmation email that includes detail about your baggage purchase. Check your inbox for this email, right? Now the second step is that open the app or go to the website and you have to log in into your account. Now tap on more option located at the bottom right side corner. Use tool and service, choose my wallet. Tap on view receipt. Here you can find receipt for the checked baggage under the other purchases tab. Step 3 is visit the United website, right? And as you can see, you can follow the same instruction which I told you. Now keep your claim check. At the airport, if you check your bag at the airport, make sure to keep the claim check you receive. This serve as a physical receipt for your checked baggage. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.